Did you know that you can send an email to non-openers 12 hours later or however long you want? You can do days, hours, minutes. Do it. You get more emails opened. Yeah. And use a different email subject line. Check that out. I have a chat GPT because the monetized inbox has a chat GPT that you can plug in your whole email, like copy and paste, and it will give you email suggest or the subject line and preview. And I did that. And then I said, can I have a little bit more fun ones too? And it gave me that. And yeah, I'm going to pick one. Let's see here. I like your Google Drive call, but let's see here. Stop saving the idea. Start building it. Your unfinished product. And all right, tomorrow, well, they'll get it 2. So let's go ahead and do 12, 24. So let's do 20 hours. And this isn't a time because it happens, like, it can be sent tomorrow too. All good. There you go.